Yes, good morning students. Welcome to the maths class. In the previous class we have solved problems based on mode. Okay, so now we have to start in the last one. One central tendency measurement is there, that is median. Already we have finished mean and mode. Okay, so now we have to we are going to know what is the formula of the formula to find the median of the group data. Median of grouped data. So we know that how to find the median for the ungrouped data, means raw data. So what is the median? What is the meaning of median? Median is the middlemost value. For example, 5, 2, 7, 15, 2 is there. So amongst all these numbers, all these observations, what will be the median means? Simply we can say that the middlemost value. So what is the middlemost value here? This is the middlemost value. So that 7 becomes the median of the of this data. Okay. So observe here, how many number of observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So it is odd number of observations. These are the odd number of observations. That time we will get only one middlemost value. See that? Okay, only one middlemost value. That middlemost value becomes median of the data. But if there is any odd even number of observations, then the middlemost values are two middlemost values. Okay, two middlemost values are there. Then how can we take the median? Means when even number of observations are there, then the middlemost value, the median is equal to the average of two middlemost values. The average of two middlemost values, that is 7 plus 15 by 2, that is 22 by 7, that is 11.5. Like that we will find the median. Okay, so if the observations are number of observations are odd, means we will get only one middlemost value, that is the median. If the number of observations are even, means then we will get the two middlemost values. Then median becomes the average of those two middlemost values. Okay, so if there are very less are there here, this time we can find whether the given observations or given number of observations are odd or even. But if there are more number of observations are there, then how can you identify the middlemost value? Means there is a formula. If number of observations are odd, means then n by 2th term becomes the middlemost value, that will become the median. So see that here, how many number of, here n means number of observations. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. How many are there? 5 are there. So this time it will become the 7 is the middlemost value, is the median of this data. Okay. So here see that here, for example, yes, okay, this is n by 2 plus 1th term. N by 2 plus 1th term becomes the middlemost value. See here, n means number of observations. Number of observations means how many number of observations? 5 number of observations. 5 plus 1 by 2th term. That is 6 by 2. That is 2 1 50. So third term become the middlemost and it is median. So when the number of observations are even, means then we have two middlemost values. The two middlemost values are n by 2th term and n plus 1 by 2th term. Okay. So here, what is the n number of observations? For example, 10 is there. Number of observations 10. It is 6 by 2. 6 1 ja 6 3 are. So third term and n plus 1, n by 2 plus 1th term. That is n by 2 means 3 plus 1, that is 4th term. So third and fourth term are the middlemost values. 1, 2, 3, 4th. See here. Okay. Like this, for ungrouped data, we have to find the median. Okay, already we have solved this type of problems in class 9. But here we have to find the median for the grouped data, means like this data. Okay, so see that here. So there is a formula like mean and mode. For median also there is a formula, that is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So this is the formula like mode also. What is the formula for mode? L plus F1 minus F2 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F1 into H. But here this is the formula. So here L also, in mode, how can we take the L? That is the modal class. Here we are finding the median. That's why L is the lower boundary of median class. Lower boundary of median class. Okay. Here n is sum of observations, sum of number of observations or sum of frequencies. M means sum of frequencies means if you will add all the frequencies, you will get one value here. That value become the n. Sometimes they will give in question itself. Then what is the CF means? CF is the frequency, that is cumulative frequency of the preceding of modal median class. Okay, median class. Then F is the frequency of median class. Then what is the H? Already we know that in mode, while finding the mode also we are using the H, that is length of the class interval. Length of the class interval. Okay. So all these terms are very, very important here. So L is the lower boundary of the median class and N is the number of observations or sum of all the frequencies. CF is the cumulative frequency. F is called the frequency of the median class and H is the length of the class interval. Now let us see how can we take these values. We have to solve. This is the first problem of exercise 14.3. Let us see. Okay. See, now let us start exercise 14.3. First one, monthly consumption. Like this classes are given. Number of frequent consumers means let it be frequency. And in the question it is given that the following frequency distribution gives us monthly consumption of electricity 68 consumers. 68 consumers means that will be the number of observations. So n is equal to 68. N is equal to 68. In formula we have n by 2. So this value 68 by 2. 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar, 2 4 jar. So that is n by 2 value becomes 34. Then we have to find the median. First write the formula. Then you can understand what we need in the formula. CF by F into H. So here n by 2 already we got from the question. Okay. And now we need the L. L is the lower boundary of median class. In mode also we took the modal class. How we took that modal class? For the highest frequency. Which class having the highest frequency, that class becomes the modal class. Here also same thing. Okay, here also same thing. Which class having the highest frequency? Highest frequency. This is the highest frequency. Then exactly that class is called the median class. So here 125 is called L. This is becomes L value. Highest frequency become F. Now what is the CF? CF means cumulative frequencies. So that we have to prepare the cumulative frequencies for the given frequencies. How can we make these cumulative frequencies? See that cumulative frequencies CF. Okay. How can we make this? Means first you write this 4 plus 5 9. Okay. 9 plus 13 22. 22 plus 20 42. 42 plus 14 like this. Okay, like this. This value become like this. So 14. 42 plus 14 66. 66 plus 8 56. 56 plus 8 4 plus 5 9 plus 13 how much? 22 42. This is 56. This is 64 and this is 68. 64 plus 4. See here 68 we got. Already we solved some problems in statistics in class 9. Okay, related to the LCF and GCF. This is the LCF, less than cumulative frequency. This is, you can take anyone from bottom to bottom also you can add, no problem. They are also frequencies, but these are the greater than cumulative frequencies. But here these are the less than cumulative. You can take any less than or greater than cumulative frequencies, no problem. Okay, we need only the cumulative frequencies. Okay, now here what is the CF means? So this is the model class. This is the model class. This is F. Not this one. Above this one, preceding. This will become CF. This value become CF. Exactly. The above value become the CF in cumulative frequencies. Not here, but in mode we took all the values in the frequencies itself. Why? They are F0, F1, F2. So that all are the F means frequencies, but here CF this is in formula. That's why I am taking in the cumulative frequencies part. So here this will become CF. Okay. Once again I am telling, see that how we will take the lower boundary. First whatever it may be for median and mode. If it is mode means you will take the model class. For median you have to choose the median class. How we will take? First you have to choose the highest frequency from the frequencies. So that class become median class or model class. Here median, we are finding the median means this class becomes median class. In this lower boundary is 125, so L that value. And the highest frequency become F. Okay, exactly opposite to that one, the above number become the cumulative frequency. Now you can substitute all the values in the formula, then you will get simply the median. So median is equal to lower boundary, you have to write once here. L is equal to 125, F is equal to 20, CF is equal to 42. Then H also we need. Know what is the H? The difference of the class, as we discussed in the previous, same only. Wherever you go in mean, median, mode, H is the length of the class interval. What is the difference here? 20. 85 minus 60, how much? 20. So that the length of the class interval becomes 20. Okay. Now see that what is the L? 125. N by 2 how much? 34. What is the cumulative frequency? 42. F is 20 into 20. See here 20 becomes cancel. 125 plus this is how much? It is 42. 68 it is. That is equal to how much? 133. 133. So this value become, okay, this is CF is how much? 22 it is. It is 22, not 42. It is 22. So that is equal to 12. That is equal to 137. 137. Okay. Very simple. First, you have to learn the formula properly. From formula you have to take L. L from median class of lower boundary. N by 2 means sometimes they will give in the question, otherwise you have to add all the frequencies. Okay, that is the N value. From that we will get the N by 2, half of the number of frequencies. Then F means highest frequency. CF means exactly opposite in the cumulative frequency, the above number. And H already we know that the difference of the lower boundary and upper boundary. Okay, that is. Then here in mode only we took these two columns only. But in median you have to take you need to take one more column for the cumulative frequencies. This cumulative frequencies how we will take means, as we learn in 9th class. This is the 4. First one take it as same. Then you add 5 plus 4, 9 plus 13, 22 plus 20. Next for this 42 will come. 42 plus 14, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. So this will be the total. Otherwise you can take from the 4. First you write 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 26. Like that. You will get 68, you will get here. Okay? Like this. We have to solve the calculate the median for the given group data. Okay. Okay. Now let us start the second question in this exercise. So the question is, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, here median is already given. Median is equal to 28.5. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. So here two frequencies missed. We have solved one problem in the mean. Okay. There we found the value of f on missed frequency. Here also same thing. Here two frequencies are missed. Okay. Two frequencies are missed. We have to find those two missed frequencies, and in this question this total also given, that is equal to 60. In the question itself it is given, it is as 60. Okay, now see that how can we find sum of all this is equal to 60. Okay, so first add all this. So 5 plus x plus no need, otherwise see that here sum of all. First take the formula. First L. What is the L here? Highest frequency 20. So this 20 becomes L. This is the 20 to 30 is the median class. So 20 is the L value. Then it will become F. So we need to take median is equal to 28.5. So L is equal to 20. So here we need to take the cumulative frequencies. So one more column for the cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies. These cumulative frequencies, how we will take? This is 5. Okay, 5 plus x. So x plus 5. So this is x plus 5 plus 20. It will become 25. This is x plus 25 plus 15, 40. This is x plus y plus that 40. Okay, this is x plus y plus 40 plus 5, it is 45. Okay, so what is the total of this? X plus y plus 45. This is already given equal to 60. Okay, now let us see that L is that. Then what is the CF here? What is the? This is the model class. Okay, exactly. This is the exactly cumulative frequency opposite to the model class. Above this will become CF. Okay, then CF is equal to what? CF is equal to x plus 5. Then F is equal to what? 20. Okay, then N is equal to, already given it is 60. So from this N by 2 is equal to 60 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 30 ja, that is equal to 30. Then what we need? H. H, see that what is the difference there? 10. Okay, now so median is equal to formula median, and then see here x plus y plus 45. This x plus y plus 45 is equal to 60. From this x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. Then x plus y is equal to, it is 15. This is the equation number 1. Okay. Now see that median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus F by F into H. Median is 28.5. What is the L? It is 20. N by 2, how much we got? 30. CF is x plus 5. Minus is there so that you can take the bracket. By what is the F? 20. This is H is 10. This 0 cancel. 28.5, 20 send this side, minus 20. This is 30 minus x plus into minus 5 by 2. This is 8.5 after subtracting. Is equal to 30 minus 5, it is 25 minus x by 2. Send this one, 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x. Then it is 17. 8 and half, 17. That is equal to 25 minus x. Okay. Now 17, send this minus 25 to this side. This is equal to minus x. This is minus 8 is equal to minus x. X cancel. So, sorry, minus cancel. So, therefore, x is equal to 8. This is the x value. Now, substitute this x value in equation 1. We will get the y value also. Substitute x is equal to 8 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? X plus y is equal to 8. What is the x? Sorry, 15. What is the x value? 8 plus y is equal to 15. Then y is equal to 15 minus 8. That is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. Okay. This model is very important. Okay. Very easy. Only you have to substitute all the values here. Okay. So this is somewhat. Don't confuse here. You can add from this also. No problem. Okay. This is 5 like that. Okay. You have to add. Very important question. After this, you have to solve the third question also.